I really could not plan my life because of my debts.
You know, at a certain point, my financial future didn't seem bright at all.
I feel like debt is controlling my life.
Yeah, I feel like I can't plan my own future as well with my debt.
I remember days where I was so afraid that at work they would decide to have a day out. Let's all go to the CNE, and I think, oh, please no, because I can't put my credit card in, it's going to bounce back.
So what happened to me was, I was on a mini vacation with my girlfriend at the time, and it was so embarrassing because I actually got a call from one of the collection agencies, and I realized that I had to take steps to take control back in my life.
I have a dream of becoming a filmmaker. That's the main reason I moved to Canada. Because of the debts I have, this is not going to happen, and I have to leave it behind.
I want to eventually have a house someday or a car. You know, my parents have cottages and things, and I can't even imagine having that because of the debt that like looms over me, you know?
The good news is that you're young, so there's time. Debt isn't a life sentence.
Don't worry. Through David Sklar, they will give you all the strategies and they will guide you. They're really very good. They're experts in this.
They're your strongest supporters because they want to see you out of the trouble. And you're too young to give up on
That's
any
right.
dream.
That's
Much
right.
too young
You're
to give up on
young.
any dream. They're going to take you from a negative attitude to a positive attitude.
They will take out all the stress that you're having right now.
You know, I always had headaches. Woke up with a headache, I went to sleep with a headache, I gave myself a headache. And it's really just stress.
It's
absolutely
true. It's the stress really that can kill you.
But the one stress we don't have to have is financial stress. And the only way you're going to be relieved of that financial stress is through David Sklar.
Now I'm more convinced than ever that like health is obviously more important.
It's so important because it's a holistic thing that happens. If you think to yourself, when was the last time I truly smiled? You know, when you smile not just with your face, but you're smiling with your inside, you can do that. You will be able to do that. And you won't have to wait till you're done with, be it the bankruptcy or with the proposal. You'll do it the very first time you walk out of the office and shake your counselor's hand and they say, I've got you. I've got you. We're going to make this right. So to both of you, a debt-free future is possible. So get the professional advice that you need.
After hearing that, like that gives me a sense of relief and that there is a happy ending to my debt situation. Yeah.